WildBoys then had a second game of a back-to-back. They played Showtime. It was a 33-32 ball game.
That game was crazy.
Factor Cap. Is Showtime a realistic contender for the Diva title in Cyprus?
Fact.
Fact?
Fact.
Cap.
Why would you say fact?
Give me 3 teams better than them. I know 2.
Okay,
Give me the third.
Raptors and RBK.
Give me the third.
I can't name it.
I think if you're the third in any conference, you have to be a contender, right?
Yeah. You said Cap. Why is that?
Well, RBK and Raptors been absent for a minute, and Showtime, they're supposed to be WildBoys. They're supposed to be Team Squad.
Which they have.
Exactly, but they're not. Like those are two. They're different teams. You know.
Yeah.
Different competition.
I feel that given as much talent as they've added, I'm talking about Showtime, that they should start making those like last season when they beat Team YS and it was like, oh my god, we did it. Mm-hmm. That shouldn't be anything to celebrate anymore. It should be like, okay, like hey, yeah, exactly. I still think that they're on the cusp of that. Like if they're ready for that next step of saying, okay, we're going up against RBK, it's a 50-50 game. It's not like a 80-20.
Yeah.
It's not a 70-30 or, hey, we're playing the Raptors and we're not going to be moral victory RJ, where it's like, well, yeah, but, we almost got them, or they only won by 8, or we didn't have all our team. Like at some point, you got to figure out. They've done a great job of adding talent. It's just of them, that next step's going to be a little tougher. I agree with Noah. I think that they're a viable candidate for a title. But as always with Showtime, and anyone that knows Showtime historically, it always boils down to the team that they are in the playoffs is not always the team that they are in the regular season.
Yep.
Now, I'm not saying that Kicker can't get it done, but it always falls down on the quarterback. Unfortunately, that's how it is.
RBK is ranked number 1, 3-0. Showtime is number 2 at 4-1. Aces are number 3 at 2-1. And you got WildBoys and Toon Squad both at 2-2. Saw at 1-4. Raptors will make their debut this week.
The undefeated.
Valiant 0-1. Caliphas 0-3.